Hi everybody, my name's Tahina and welcome to my channel. I will be unbagging my Ipsy for the July 2019 and I really like this bag. Like lately the bags have been really cool. Like I really like the bags. Like a while back, maybe a year or two ago, I didn't like any of the bags. Like there'd be like one in like 6 months that I liked it. And mind you, I've been with Ipsy for 4 years now. Over 4 years now. Almost 4.5. Okay, so anyway, I love this peach color. And I like the little leaves on it. So, let's look at the card. Okay, so this month's theme is Dive In, which is cool. And then, so the first item that I see is from Zacate. I don't know if that's the exact name, but Zacate Glow 2 Highlighter. Does it say? Let's see. In the shade Moon Dust. Okay, so it's a pretty hefty size. I need to get it like a Z palette or something so I can put some of these things in. So I could put some of these things in. I don't know if you could see that, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so I like that. I love highlighters. Okay, so that's a good item. The next item I see is from La Beauté. Wait, hold on. Let me read it on here because it's in a font that's hard to see. La Beauté Fatale Cosmetics. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But this is a brow fix, tint, and shaper in dark brunette. So, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to put it toward one of the lights. And when you open it up, ooh, a lot came out. But this is what the spoolie looks like. Let's see. Okay. This ain't really a good swatch or anything, but I just wanted to show you what dark brunette look like. So, I don't know if I like the little spoolie. I'd rather go in with the pencil because my eyebrows are kind of not shaped right. So, I don't know. I will give that a try though. So the next item that I see is from Kula. It's a mineral sun silk cream sunscreen. Okay. I don't usually buy sunscreen, so I guess it's good that I got this. It doesn't really have a smell to it. No, not really. You know, they'll smell a certain way. Like, you know, there's chemicals in it. But this does not have a scent at all. So, that's good. The next item I have is from Smashbox. And it's the Always On Liquid Lipstick. Okay. And what shade is this? Babe Alert. So this is what it looks like. And then give it a little swatch. I do like Smashbox, though, I will say that. Oh, and it's a pretty color. As long as, you know, I usually don't, even though I'm wearing red lipstick, I usually don't go for red lipsticks, but you know. And this isn't red, I'm just saying, because usually I'll end up getting a red lipstick, and it's like, but I like this color. This color is pretty though. And the last item I got is from the Balm. It's the, sorry if you hear that, that's my neighbors downstairs with their zillion kids. It's from the Balm. What's the T eyeshadow in He Said, She Said. And it's pretty, sorry, that was my TV. It's a pretty purple, shiny color. Shimmer. I don't know why I said shiny, but ooh, it looks very pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you could see it. It's the top one. When you swatch it, it looks more pink than purple though. So I'll definitely use that. I like the Balm. So that's everything that I got in this Ipsy. Usually with my Ipsy bags there might be 2 products that I like, and then 3 is like I would never use it. But lately I've been getting good products. Like I like the highlighter, I like the eyeshadow, and I like the lipstick. The sunscreen, sorry I keep looking because the products are over here. The sunscreen, it's good to have, you know, because it's summer and everything, and when I go out, I'll just stick it in my bag, so whenever I go out, I can put it on, because I tend not to do that. But the eyebrow thing, I'm not too sure about. But let me know what you think of these products, and I will see you next time. Bye!